Why should you learn Interactive Brokers TWS API? So there are a number of ways in which you can use Interactive Brokers TWS API. Let's take a look at some of the most popular ways in which traders and investors use API. So first, you can use TWS API to automate your trading. So if you use systematic entry and exit rules for your trading and investing process, then you can either fully or semi-automate your trading or investing strategy. Next, you can build custom applications. So an example of a custom application could be an application that scans the market every 5 minutes and then returns a list of stocks that have made a new high or a new low for the day. Another example of an application could be an application that rebalances a delta neutral portfolio after every 30 minutes. You can use TWS API to fetch historical data and then use that historical data for backtesting the strategy on the specific set of instruments. Then you can use the streaming data to either live or paper trade your trading or investment strategy. You can build custom indicators, and then you can use TWS API to build custom alerts and notification. For example, if you are a kind of a trader that uses a specific set of patterns for entering or exiting your trades or investments, then you can use TWS API to build a custom script that monitors the market and then sends those alerts and notifications to your mobile or email whenever the specific pattern appears in the market. So these are some of the most popular ways in which traders and investors use TWS API.